I am Jermigel Bianeta, BSK 2S. Pwede po ma-interview po namin kayo tungkol sa pananaw niyo po sa pop culture. At maaari po namin makuha yung pangalan.
Hi everyone, my name is Faith Albilalian. I am third year college BSBA FM student, and thank you for the opportunity and be here as your interviewee. So,
In your opinion, does the pop culture reflect social values? Does it shape them? How?
pop culture from sabi ko nga yun, lagi ko kasi inaano from old generation up until now. Hindi kasi natin pwedeng i-point natin lagi sa generation natin ngayon. So yung old generation kasi sa makikita natin marami silang mga culture na halos nagpa-shape sa kanila into a better person. Kumbaga yung mga magulang natin naging maayos sila it because of the culture na kanilang nararanasan noon. So ngayon parang na-adapt natin din sa kanila, at kumbaga kung ano tayo ngayon, hindi mangyayari yung maging maayos tayo ngayon sa panahon natin kung walang guidance ng old generation. So from doing a good connection, doing parang maayos na generation na. So noon kasi talaga very like conservative. From the word conservative kasi parang ano sila parang may mga kailangan silang gawin na alam nilang ikakabuti nila. At hindi siya kasi strict. May ganun bagang conservative and strict. So yun kasing natin sa generation ngayon, parang yung parang ako kasi as experience ko, I have siblings na naka-experience, syempre mga millennials sila. So na-experience nila yung mga cultures na medyo na-adapt nila sa magulang namin. And then parang shinare nila sa amin at na-adapt ko. Kumbaga, without culture na sinusunod natin, without that, siguro parang wala tayong uniqueness bilang isang Filipino. Wala tayong like identical, walang ID tayong Pilipino. At yun yung parang makaka-help sa atin. Hindi lang sa atin, kumbaga hindi sa may pagpapayabang sa ibang bansa, kundi parang may ganito tayong naging hospitable tayo, meron tayong may mga good characteristic or good manners, hindi lang sa kapwa natin kundi sa mga parents natin. Yan lang.
Thank you. Pwede po makuha si pangalan po.
Okay. My name is John Echo Buban po from CHS BS Nursing.
Do you think different generations have distinct perspective on pop culture? How have you observed this generation different?
I think no. So, different generation doesn't understand this kind of culture because like only this like current current generation lamang yung makaka-experience nito kasi kumbaga ngayon lang ito nag-i-exist.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, I'm John Kenneth Sablon from BS Cream 2S, and this is...
Good morning everyone, I am John Christian Espanto, BS Cream 2D.
And I'm here for interview for pop culture. My question is, how would you define pop culture and what do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
Yung pop culture ay yung mga paulit-ulit natin ginagawa magpasa hanggang ngayon. At
And what is the most noticeable characteristics?
Para sa akin, musika. Kasi yung mga dating kanta ay mas sigit na mas meaningful yung mga lyrics kaysa sa mga bagong kanta ngayon.
Okay.
So my name is Isaac Koa from BSA 2C. So the question is, can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it is become popular? So natakal mi naman ni Sir. Tapos ano siya, ang sarong example is TikTok. So, paano siya nakakot ng attention? Garo, dahil dyan, sa app na yan, kada akong nakakaano ng tao, ng nagigibong, mga videos, mga arte, kaya siya naging popular.
In your opinion, does popular culture reflect societal values or does it shape them? How? I believe na ang popular culture, nag-shape siya kang mga individuals. Why? Because syempre, as time goes by, na-adapt nila ang culture kang ibang culture. So garo, ito nga, as times goes by, nakukuha na nila si mga trends, si mga values, si mga ideas na kang sarong culture. For example, digdiyo, ito yung sarong kultura kang Korean. Most of the time, ang youth ngunyan is into Korean trends na. For example, sa pagsuolot, sa kakanon. So nakakasabay na sinda sa argatong trend and di man nila nalilingawan ng ibang Kaya nasa-shape kang sarong popular culture ang sarong society.
In the interviews, I've noticed and analyzed that Philippine popular culture has three dimensions: the past, present, and future. The popular culture of the Philippines has evolved over time, from indigenous tribal practices to a mix of various Asian and Western influences. In the past, popular culture was heavily influenced by folk traditions such as fiestas, dances, and musics. Today, the popular culture of the Philippines is a mixed traditional and modern elements, with influences from Spanish, American, Japanese, and Korean culture. In the present, the popular culture of the Philippines is heavily influenced by media and technology, with television and the internet becoming increasingly popular sources of entertainment. Filipino popular culture is also heavily influenced by music, with both traditional and modern music style influencing the local subscapes. While in the future, the popular culture of the Philippines will continue to evolve and be influenced by new technologies and media, is likely that virtual reality and augmented reality will become increasingly popular, and the Filipino people will find new ways to interact with and experience these new technologies. Social media and online streaming services will continue to shape the popular culture of the country, as well as the way that people communicate and form relationships. Additionally, with the rise of mobile technology, it is likely that Filipino popular culture will become increasingly accessible to people in remote areas and will continue to develop a more globalized and diverse outlook.